Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So, if you follow my channel at all, you've seen me do restore several tools that were given to me by my brother-in-law. At Christmas, he gave me this big box of rusted tools, and I've made a lot of videos out of the stuff that he gave me. But here's what I have left, right here. I've got these four pieces left. And they look really bad. They look in really bad shape. I've got these three crescent wrenches, and then these clippers. And I mean, they're terrible. There's just very little chance that I can make anything of these. But I'm willing to give it a shot. And I figure what I'll do is I'll throw all of this stuff in the muriatic acid, and then we'll see if, when I take them back out, we'll see if there's anything left that I can do anything with. Hopefully one thing will be good and I can make a video out of it. If not, you may never see this intro. Anyway, let's get at it. Well, I'm going to give up on this one. I took the three crescent wrenches out of the muriatic acid, and the body of the wrench, the body of the wrenches weren't that bad on two of them. One of them was just gone. That first one was just no way I could do anything with it. The second two, the body of them were great, but the little knurling, the little twisty thing, they were just rotted off, and I can't see ordering that. I mean, I don't know if they even sell that stuff. I guess I could look, but so I just decided that the clippers that I would have some fun and see if I could get those to function. I know it would never be a good tool that I could use on a regular basis or anything like that. I just wanted to I didn't want to waste my time, having wasted all my time doing that without some enjoyment. And so I decided I would try to make these at least work on something. And I was unable to do that. I tried sharpening this, and then unfortunately the ends wouldn't meet. So I ground down this part, hoping that would help, but that didn't work. So I ground off the end, and the ends, the clippers meet, but there's just no leverage down here. This thing is, whatever. It was fun. So see you next time.